Hello, this is an AtlasHR onboarding tutorial. We will be covering the signing and completion of custom forms, which are forms that are not built-in tax forms. So if you come to a form in your onboarding checklist that's not the W-4 or the I-9, such as a social media policy or a code of conduct policy, or commonly the handbook, you'll just click the link in that step to open up that form. And now we're looking at the form itself, and the number of pages shows up here. So ideally you will click through and read the contents of this form. But regardless, at the end you need to come to the last page, and this is where you'll be signing the form. So some information should be pulling in automatically, most likely, so your name and the date. Then you will click the button here, click to sign, and it will take you up to a button up here on the right, which can be a little confusing at first. Since on the left we're really looking at a preview of the form, the actual fill-in fields are up here on the right. So I'll click sign, and then I will type in my password, my system password, to sign the form. Or you might be being prompted to put in an actual signature if you have a touch screen or something like that. Either way, at the end, click I agree. And then all you need to do is click submit here, and then that will complete this step. Click OK, and then we can click back to return to our onboarding checklist. And that concludes our tutorial. Thanks.